Whoa, Samsung, bringing back the flip phone. Welcome back, guys. I'm Nick. This is 7 Minutes or Less, and Samsung has just debuted their first folding phone. Yes, they have a brand new folding phone for production quality that is coming out later next year. Samsung has been going after this foldable phone since it teased it back in 2013 with a flexible OLED screen. They are looking into all kinds of different phone technologies, rollable screens. They're looking into stretchable screens. Now this folding screen, they are calling it the Infinity Flex display. Represents a new technology on mobile platforms. This means that you'll have the ability to take your phone and open it so that it's the form factor of a tablet. What's cool about the phone is it's going to have a screen just like any normal smartphone would on the front panel. However, you'll open it up and it will turn itself into a tablet. We've never seen anything like this before on a smartphone. Samsung says it uses a new display technology called Infinity Flex display. It will let you open and close the device over and over without any type of degradation. So it's not going to degrade, it's not going to break down or anything like that. This brings us back to the flip phone. The original flip phone debuted in 1989, the old clamshell phones. Everything new becomes old or old becomes new again. And in this case, we're going back to a flip phone. We're going back to a flip phone. We've done this. How many times have we done this already? We went from a standard phone to a clamshell flip phone to the Nokia one panel, one screen display phones, back to the Motorola Razr. Then we came back to the Blackberries that were one screen, went from the Blackberries then to the iPhone and Samsung display smartphone technologies. So we've gone back and forth from this flip phone love to the standard flat screen love. Is this something that's going to be a gimmick? Is this something that everybody's going to switch to? Having the ability to turn your phone into a tablet and tablet back into a phone for portability. Is this necessary? Is this something that you are actually going to purchase? I don't know. I'd have to see it. I think I'd have to touch it and use it. Tell us in the comments what you think about Samsung's new foldable flex displays. Give us a like and a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time in 7 Minutes or Less. Bye, guys.